Hey guys, this is me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried. Well, today's recipe takes me back in time. It takes me back to the days that I spent in Delhi with a few friends of mine who are from Kerla. Well, I used to, of course, live with them and we used to cook a lot together. Of course, this is the quintessential hostel-like cooking. Now, I don't know over the years whether this recipe is authentic, genuine, or not. But one thing I can guarantee is that this recipe is tasty, it's mind-blowing, it's fantastic, and it's easy, which is very important. Over the years, this has been my favorite. I have never really bothered to check the authenticity of the video with anybody else because I'm so happy and so content with this style of the egg roast. Yes, I'm making a Kerala style egg roast. Let's begin. This recipe needs to begin with coconut oil. A little more than normal. Well, I have taken 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. To this, I'm going to add in sliced onions. And with this, half a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of salt. This will help in cooking the onions beautifully well and caramelized. This is going to take at least 7 to 8 minutes on medium to low flame, and patience is the virtue here. While the onions are cooking, let's quickly grind the powder spice here. Let's begin with coriander, chili flakes. You can also take red chilies which are dried, peppercorns, and fennel seeds. The idea here is to pound all of this till it's coarse and not powdered. The onions are just beginning to turn golden brown. This is the stage where we add in hing, which is also known as asafoetida, and along with this, curry leaves. Wash them well and add it in. Stir this. With this, I'm also going to add in paste of ginger and garlic. Stir this well and allow this to cook on high flame till the rawness of the ginger and garlic goes away. Once that's done, let's add in whole green chilies and along with these sliced tomatoes. Stir this well and allow the tomatoes to turn a little mushy. The onions could have a tendency to stick at the bottom. Ensure that the flame is adjusted accordingly. You can also cover this and cook in case you want to hasten the process, but I like slow cooking, so I'm going nice and slow. The tomatoes have softened well. If you like it a little spicier, you can also kind of mash the chilies at the same time. You can also use in chili paste just in case you want to make it really nice and spicy. With this, I'm adding in the spices which are ground and ready. One quick mix. Well, I do not like a lot of red color in this, so there's not a lot of red chili. That's why I like using chili flakes. But nevertheless, if you want to, you can add in some chili powder. You can also add in a little bit of turmeric. But to me, this, like I said, is absolutely nostalgia driven. So I kind of stick to this, but you can, of course, add your own. Finally, just a little touch of garam masala. A quick mix. And with this, we're going to add in boiled eggs. Now, there's a little thing that I do personally while adding in the boiled eggs. Just give it a little bit of a cut like so. Do not go deep with it because you don't want to break the egg. This is an egg which is boiled for 6 minutes. Cooled down in cold water, peeled, and here you go. Mix this well. And with this, your Kerala egg roast is done and ready. And trust me, this goes amazingly well. One to begin with, just by itself, or with Malabar parathas. With this, our Kerala style egg roast is done and ready. And like I said, I have never bothered to check about the authenticity of this recipe, but trust me, it's absolutely tasty. Well, for the purists who of course follow the recipes and follow the video, please let me know if there is something that could be better, could be more or less. I don't know, because I have purely followed the recipe from my hostel days. I'm sure the authentic recipe could be different. Let us know in the comment section below. On that note, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Get Curried, and for more such recipes, stay tuned.